Hey guys, it's Mitchell here, and this is my very first ever, well, let me just get it ready, and then I'll show you. Well, today's my very first Nerf gun video, and today I'm going to review one of my Nerf guns, because not all my Nerf guns are really mine, they're my brother's, but who cares? I steal them because I'm the only one who likes Nerf. Now, this is the strong arm Nerf gun. Boy, I love this. And the best part is, from watching a video of gun versus gun, I can put PVC to make it more accurate. And easy to load and easy to shoot. Watch. Sorry, viewers. Oh yeah, and I have suction darts. So, see? And one more. Hey. And I'm sorry, viewers, that I shot you. I should gather up all my darts, and I should have 6 in all. I only have 5. Oh God, please. Yeah. Comment right now if you see where the last connector is. I don't really see it anywhere. And so yeah, I just lost a Nerf dart. Yay me! Oh, crud. And it's and the strong arm is an elite Nerf gun. The barrel comes out, and you're fully loaded. Just pop it back in, load it up, and fire. And my mom just got home from Krispy Kreme with some donuts, but I'm not allowed to have any. So yeah, see ya!